Now you are going to see about exercise 1.2 la first sum la first subdivision. So we are having the value of minus 5 by 12 plus 7 by 5 is equal to what? Yes. So we are having what is that is the first decimal is here is or a fraction number is minus 5 by 12 plus 7 by 15 here. So இங்கே denominator ரெண்டுமே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஈக்குவலாக இல்லை. ஸோ ஈக்குவலாக இல்லாதப்ப நம்ம என்ன செய்ய முடியும்னா you have to take the LCM here, correct? So what is the LCM here is what is that is we take here it is 12, 15, okay? So if we go for 3 table now, so 3s are, so 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Again you can go with here 5 table, so but it is not divisible, so I go with again 4 here, so 5 1s are 5, okay? Next one is we go for here 2, so 2 2s are 4 here, 1 will be remaining the same thing here. We all know what is LCM, so here 2, so 1 comma 1, so we stop now because we got here 1 comma 1. So what we got the answer here is 3 5 2 2. Now you have to multiply everything here, so 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are here it is 60. So what we got the LCM is what is that is it is 60, okay? So we go inside here, we are having it is minus 5 by 12 plus 7 by 15. So now you take the LCM here, the LCM is 60, okay? So you have to multiply here 12 with how many terms you have to multiply? You have to multiply by 12 5s are, correct? So it is 12 5s are 60, so you have to multiply the numerator also with 5. So we will get the answer as minus 25 plus here we are having 15, yes? So here you have to multiply 15 with 6 to get 60 means you have to multiply by 4, correct? So 15 4s are 60, again with you have to multiply by the numerator also 4, so 7 4s are 28. So what we got the answer here is it is 28 minus 25 by 60, okay? So what is 28 minus 25? It is a bigger number minus a smaller number, so 28 minus 25 is equal to here it is 3 by 60. So whether this is the answer, no, still we can cancel here because it is 3 table, here we are having 60, so we cancel it 3 table, 3 1s are 3 here it is 3 2s are, so here is 0, so we are having the answer is 1 by 20. This is your answer, 1 by 20. Now we go inside the exercise 1.2 first sum second subdivision. This is a fill up here. The value of minus 3 by 6 into 18 by minus 9 is dash. So here we are having it is minus 3 by 6 into what is that is we can shift this minus ups to the numerator, so it is minus 18 by 9. So we will be having a what is that is minus into minus will be always a plus, correct? You have to remember this one, negative into negative will be a positive, so we can cancel even here itself, and so we go inside the next one, so we cancel now what is that is what are the numbers here inside. So can I cancel here? So it is 9 2s are 18, here it is 3 2s are 6, so 3 1s are 3, here 3 2s are 6, here 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So here I can cancel here 2 and 2, so everything is cancelled here inside, so the answer will be here 1. Now we go inside exercise 1.2 first sum third subdivision. It is also a fill up here. The value of minus 15 by 23 divided by 30 divided by minus 46 is dash, okay? Here there is a division here inside, so we will be having what is that is it is minus 15 by 23 we as it is we put here, so it is divided by what is that is it is 30 by minus 46. So denominator of a denominator will be an numerator, so we can even have a what is that is we studied in a 7th standard or a 6th standard, what is we know what is the reciprocal, correct? So we go with the reciprocal here, so it will be having it is minus 15 by 23 into this will be changed into a reciprocal numerator here, so it is minus 46 by here this 30 will be going here in the denominator, just we take this one upside down, this is called as reciprocal method here, okay? Now we are having again, what is that is negative into negative. So negative into negative will be a positive. Alright. So this you don't even forget here this one. So here now next we go inside here. What is that is we cancel the numbers now. So it is 15 2s are 30. Yes. Likewise, you can go with 23 2s are 46. So we can even check and write 23 2s are, what is that is 3 2s are 6 here, 4 2 2s are here, 4 it is 4. So 23 2s are, it is 46. Again we are having 2 here, we are having 2 here. And cancel this 2, cancel this 2. So already it is a positive one, so nothing is available here. So we will be having the answer as, what is that is 1. Inside the next fill up, exercise 1.2, first sum, fourth subdivision. The rational number dash does not have a reciprocal. So any number is having we can write here 2 means we can write it, the reciprocal means it is 1 by 2. Suppose we are having 3 means we can write that is 1 by 3 like that. So only the one number which does not have any reciprocal, or we can say just the answer is 0. So for exercise 1.2, the first sum subdivision, the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is dash. What is meant by multiplicative inverse? We have to know first what is multiplicative inverse here. Right? Any number we are multiplying with a number will be getting n because it is a multiplicative. So we have to get the answer as equal to 1. So we are having, suppose a into b is equal to 1. So suppose we are saying b is the inverse. So suppose I can get a inverse is equal to 1. Right? So for minus 1, we have to get an answer here. Yes. So that we will get an answer here. It should be plus 1. So what is the answer here now? So we have to find out what is the, this is the multiplicative inverse box, correct? So something we have to multiply inside. So we have to get a plus 1. So minus 1 we are having, we have to multiply something, we have to get a plus 1 means we have to just multiply by minus 1. So minus, because minus 1 into minus 1 will be equal to, here it is negative into negative again. So negative into negative will be a positive. So it is plus 1. So the answer is for this multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. Next we go to exercise 1.2, third sum. Find the sum. The first substitution is 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Correct? Here the denominator is equal. So we don't want to find out what is the LCM here. Right? So we straight away go and write here. The denominator is 5. We straight away add these two numerators here. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So what we get? Whether this answer? No. So we have to cancel here 5 2s are. So the answer here is 2. Next we go for second subdivision. Yes, the question is here is, it is 7 by 5 plus 5 by 7. Yes, we have to find out what is the sum now. Yes, here you have to check the denominators. Denominators are not equal, right? So we have to find out what is the LCM. So it is 5 by 7 is the LCM here. So again I put here 5. So 1 time 5 ones are 5. So 7 will be remaining 7 here. So then I can put here 7. So it is 1 comma 1. So we can stop. 1 comma 1 comes means we stop the LCM, right? So what is the LCM we got here is 5 7s are, here it is 35, right? So this is your LCM, right? So here straight away go and write this one as it is 35, correct? So we are already having a denominator is 5 only here. So you have to multiply some value inside. So that we have to get 35 means we have to multiply this one term with 7. So 5 7s are 35. So if we are multiplying 7 in the denominator, we have to multiply in the numerator also. So it is 7 7s are, here it is 49 plus, right? Next one is, here it is 7 in the denominator, we have to get here 35, correct? So you have to multiply by 7 5s are 35. So we are multiplying this denominator by 5. So you have to multiply the numerator by 5 also. So here it is 5 5s are, here it is 25. So we got the answer here is 49 plus 25 will be equal to, here it is 74. So 74 by 35 is your answer. Next we go for the third subdivision. So third subdivision is, what is the question is here is, it is 6 by 5 plus minus 14 by 15. Yes. Now we have to check here what is that is, whether these denominators are equal. So here it is 5, here it is 15. Okay. First concept is here is, we have to check whether it is here it is plus, here it is minus. Okay. First we remove the brackets inside here. So how to remove this bracket here is, just we put here it is 6 by 5, here it is plus into minus will be here. Now we have here 6 by 5 minus 14 by 15. So now also we check here, the denominators are not equal. So we will be having here it is 5 comma 15. Now you take the LCM now. So we go with 5 table. So it is 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, correct? So next thing is, we have to take here 3. So it is 1 comma 1. So we can stop now. So what we have the answer here is 5 3. So 5 3s are, here it is 15. So this is your LCM, correct? So now we go for the fraction now. The fraction will be here it is 15 is the LCM now. So you don't want to multiply anything here, but you have to multiply here it is 5 something. So 5 into something will be giving a 15 here. So 5 3s are 15. So we are multiplying with the denominator. So you will be having, you have to multiply with the numerator also. So it is 6 3s are, it is 18 minus, here don't want to multiply anything because we will be already having a 15 here. So don't want to multiply anything. So just we put here 14. So what we have here is 18 minus 14 is equal to 4. So the 4 by the denominator is 15 here. So this is your third subdivision answer. Now we go for your fourth subdivision. Your fourth subdivision is, what is that is? The question is minus 4 2 by 3 plus 7 5 by 12. So these two fractions are in mixed fractions, correct? First we have to change this one into a fraction, then we have to solve. So how to find out the what is that is mixed fraction will be improper fraction here is, here we are having 3, here it is 4, here it is 2. So it is 4 2 by 3 is the mixed fraction, correct? So just we have to, if you want to change into fraction, just we multiply this one. 4 3s are 12. Yes, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. So the answer here is, it is minus 14 by 3 plus. So again I repeat, 4 3s are 12 plus 2. So it is 4 3s are 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Okay. Now we'll check here. 12 7s are, what is that is? What is 12 7s are? So here it is 12 7s are, 7 2s are 14 here, and what is that is? 7 1s are 7, 8 here, so 84. Yes. So here 12 7s are 84. So then we add this one is plus 5. Plus 5 is equal to what? So 9. So it is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 here. Then one is, what is it is? 8 as it is. So it is 89 by 12. Right? So we got this answer now. So here also we are having this, here it is 3, here this is 12. Right? These two denominators are not equal. So we go for the LCM here. So it is 3 comma 12. So 3 table we put here now. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So here it is, we go with 2 table. So 1 comma 2, again it is 2 table, 1 comma 1, we stop. So what we got the answer here is 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So here the LCM is equal to 12. So here we come here again. So 12 is the LCM, correct? 12 is the LCM. So here 12 is already present here. So don't want to multiply anything here inside. But here it is 3 here. So we are having 12 here, denominator, the LCM. So you have to multiply something in here. So 3 4s are 12. So you have to multiply this one here 4. So we will be multiplying the numerator also with 4. So now we check here. What is that is? It is 14 into 4. Right? 14 into 4 is equal to what? So 4 4s are, here it is 16. So the next one is, what is that is? 4 1s are 4. Here it is 56. So the answer here is minus 56 plus 89. So which is equal to. Now we go for the next one. What is that is? we subtract here what is that is 89 minus 56. Yes, so 9 minus 6 is equal to, here it is 3, 8 minus 5 is equal to again 3. So here I go with the answer is 33 by 12. Okay, so but I got the answer here is 33 by 12, but these two numerator and the denominator will be divisible by 3 table. So we cancel by 3 table. So 3 11s are 3 4s are. So what we get the answer is, it is 11 by 4. But the question is in the mixed fraction. You have to write the answer is also in the mixed fraction. Alright. So how we can write this in the mixed fraction means, we can go and write here what is that is, we go with the 4 table now. We all know it is what, 4 1s are here 4, 4 2s are 8, and what is that is 4 3s are 12. But we have only here 11 by 4. So then we go for the option here, it is 4 2s are. So here 4 2s are. So we can write this one as 2. Yes. So here we will be having what is that is 11 minus 8 is equal to. So 11 minus 8 is equal to here 9, 10, 11. So it is 3. So we go with the answer, and here is 2, 3 by what is that is 4. So this is your answer, 2, 3 by 4. Let's check this one again with the back side. So here it is what is this, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. So it is 11 by 4. Go for exercise 1.2, the fourth sum. They are given what is that is, subtract minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11. So usually the max they will give from minus 17 by 11. So this should be the what is that is, starting term. So from means from this you are going to subtract this one, correct? So we will be having, first we put this one as minus 17 by 11. Because it is having subtraction, we will be having subtraction minus, yes, minus half minus 8 by 44. This minus is denoted in the subtraction, so I am putting here subtraction. This minus 8 by 44 is already present in the question, so I am putting here it is minus 8 by 44, right? So minus into minus already told here. So we remove the bracket now. So it is minus 17 by 11 plus 8 by 44, correct? So now we are having two fractions now. Now we are going to find out what is the LCM. Then we have to solve as usual method. So here we go with the LCM method here. So 11 comma 44. So here we get both are divisible by 11 table. So 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 44. So next we go with 2 table. So it is 1 comma 2. Then again with it 1 comma 1. So we stop here. So what is the LCM now? So 11 twos are 22, 22 twos are 44. So the 44 is the LCM here, correct? So we go for here the two fractions addition. So here the 44 is the LCM. Already 44 is present here. So don't want to multiply anything here. But we are here, we are having the denominator is 11. So you have to multiply by 4, right? So we are multiplying by 4 in the denominator. So you have to multiply the numerator also with 4. So the next check now, what is that is 17 into 4 is equal to, yes, 17 fours are, 7 fours are, it is 28, correct? Next one is 4 ones are 4, 5 6, 68. So what we got, we are already having a negative sign here inside. So it is minus 68 plus 8 by 44. So here we are having a smaller number minus a bigger number. So smaller number minus a bigger number will be having a negative sign. So minus. So can we subtract here? 60 minus 8 is equal to, we know it is 60. So it is minus 60 by 44. So but whether this answer means no. Still we can simplify this one inside. So we go with the 2 table. 2 30 times. Here it is 22 times. Next again we go with the 2 table. 2 15 times. 2 15s are 30. And here it is 2 11s are 30, 22. So what we got the answer is negative here. So negative. Then again numerator is 15. The denominator is 11. So what the answer is minus 15 by 11 is your answer. Now we are going to see about exercise 1.2, fifth sum. Evaluate, the first subdivision is 9 by 132 into minus 11 by 3, correct? So we write this one as 9 by 132 into minus 11 by 3, okay? Straight away we can cancel here because we are adding multiplication inside. Straight away we can cancel here, 3 are 9. But when you are cancelling here 11, here 132, whether we can find out what is that 132 divisible? Okay, so 132, we go with the 11 table. Yes, so 11, 1s are 11. So if we subtract here, 13 minus 11 is equal to here 2. Again we take this 2 here, so it is 22. So 11, 2s are 22, correct? So it is divisible. So 132 will be equal to, what is it, is 11 12s are, correct? So 11 table it is divisible. So I can go and dash this one 11 12 times. So 11 12s are 132. Okay. Again we are having here 3 numerator. We are having here 12. So if you cancel here, it is 3 4s are. Yes. Okay. Now we check the numerator. There is nothing here inside, but there is only minus sign here. So we have to put here minus 1 by, what is the remaining term here in the denominator? It is 4. So minus 1 by 4 is the answer. Now we go for your second subdivision. Second subdivision question is here is, what is that is, minus 7 by 27 into 24 by minus 35, correct? So here we can even straight away cancel this minus into minus. So here at minus, here on minus. So we cancelled. Okay. Next one is, we can go and cancel this one, 7 here, 35 here. So we can cancel only the numerator and denominator. We can't cancel this numerator and numerator, correct? So 7 5s are 35. Again here 24 is here it is 27. So both the numbers are divisible by 3 table. So 3 8s are 24, and here it is 3 9s are 27. So what we got the answer here is, it is the numerator only the value remaining is 8 by, here it is the denominator is 9 here, 9 into 5 is equal to 45. This is your second subdivision answer. Exercise 1.2, the sixth sum. They are given what is here is divide. Divide the first subdivision you are going to see. It is minus 21 by 5 by minus 7 by minus 10. Correct? So they are given something here. First you understand the question here. It is divide. So first you put this one as minus 21 by 5 by minus 7 by minus 10. Yes. Here itself we can cancel this minus here inside. So what we got here is already I told here. Denominator of a denominator will be an numerator, or denominator of denominator we can write in a reciprocal. So we can go and write this one as minus 21 by 5 into this 10 will be coming here by this 7 will be going in the denominator. Yes. So what we got the answer here is minus 21 by 5 into 10 by 7. So now we cancel here. It is 5 times 7 3s are 21, and here it is 5 2s are. So what we got the answer here is, it is minus 3 is here, so it is minus 3 into 2. So minus 3 into 2 is equal to minus 6. Next we go for second subdivision. Second subdivision, the question is, what is that is, it is divide minus 3 by 13 by minus 3. So here also we have to follow the same method here, divide. So it is minus 3 by 13 by minus 3. So we write here minus 3 by 13 by minus 3. So correct. So here there is some small difference here. Here it is a denominator. It is also a denominator. So denominator only you can write it as a numerator. So but here I can go and write this one as minus 3 by 13 into minus 3. Correct. This minus 3 will be coming here. Correct. If it is my denominator of denominator, then when we go for the next sum, you will understand more. Minus 3 by 13 into minus 3. Now we straight away cancel this minus and minus, this 3 and 3. So what we got the answer is, only the numerator, there is nothing. So we can write this one as 1 by Only the remaining term is 13, so it is 13. So the answer is 1 by 13. Okay. Next we go for your third subdivision. Third subdivision is divide again. So divide, what is that is minus 2 by minus 6 by 15. So we straight away go and write this one as it is minus 2 by minus 6 by 15. Already told how we can put this one as what is it is? It is minus 2 into, yes, this 15 will be going upside. It is already in a denominator. Denominator will be same here. So it is what is it is by minus 6 as it is. The 15 will be going into denominator of a denominator will be a numerator. Yes, so it is 15 here. The fraction will be changed like this. Now we can cancel this minus and minus. Again we cancel this 1, 2, 3 are 6. Correct? So here I can cancel this 3 and we cancel this 1. So it is 5. So negative cancelled. So it is positive. No problem. So only the answer we are having here is 5. So this is your answer. 1.2 7th sum. So find a plus b divided by a minus b if they are given some values here. First subdivision we are having 2 values. Second subdivision will be having another 2 values. So first you listen to doing this one very carefully. They are going to follow some condition here. A plus b divided by a minus b. Correct? So first they are given what is it is a is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. So first we write in the what is the condition they are given. So a plus b divided by a minus b. So what is the a value? It is 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 plus what is the b value? It is 2 by 3. So divided by what is that is? Again a value is 1 by 2 minus the b value is 2 by 3. So it is 2 by 3. First we solve this bracket inside, then we divide. It will be more easy. And this is also we have to follow some rules here. First we simplify always the brackets inside. Correct? So here it is 2 here. First we see only the first bracket. So here it is first bracket, second bracket. So here it is 2, here it is 3. So both the denominators are not equal. So we go with the LCM method here. So 2, 3. So 2 here. So 2 ones are 2. So 3 will be remaining as it is. So then I go with 3 here. So 1, 1. So then we can stop. So the LCM here is, what is it is? It is 6. So this is your LCM. Alright. So here I go and write this one as it is equal to 6. So we have to multiply something here. So when we can change it into 2 into 6 here. So it is 2 3s are. So 2 3s are. So we are multiplying some new denominator here. So you have to multiply with the numerator also here. So 3 1s are, here it is 3 plus. So here it is 3 already in the denominator. You have to get here 6 here. So you have to multiply by 2. So here you have to multiply the numerator also with 2. So 2 2s are, here it is 4. So we finish the first bracket. So divided by the second bracket. Again we are having the same thing 2, 3. So the LCM will be here 6. So here I go with the 6 here. So what you have to multiply here now? So you have to multiply by 3. So you have to multiply by 3. So 3 1s are, here it is 3. Then here minus sign, so it is minus. So here we are having 3 here denominator. We have to multiply with 2. So 3 2s are 6. So you have to multiply the numerator also with 2. So 2 2s are, here it is 4. Okay. So what we have the first bracket we come here again. So 3 plus 4 is equal to, here it is 7 by 6 divided by. So here it is 3 minus 4. So smaller number minus a bigger number. So what we got the answer here is, it is minus 1. So 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1 by 6. So here we are having a division sign, right? So the division sign will be having, what is it is? We have to divide. So it is 7 by 6 by minus 1 by 6. So already I told here, we can go with the reciprocal method here. So it is 7 by 6 into, what is that is? So the denominator cannot be a negative. So we take here, what is that is? It is 6 by minus 1. We can shift this minus 1 here itself. So it is 7 by 6 into minus 6 by 1. Denominator cannot be a negative 1. So, okay. So here I cancel this one. 6 here, 6 here. So the remaining answer will be, here it is minus 1. So 7 into minus 1 will be equal to minus 7 is your answer. Next we go for second subdivision. Second subdivision is, what is that is, we will be having a is equal to minus 3 by 5 and what is that is b is equal to 2 by 15. Okay, here what is that is, we have a condition here. Already we will be having a condition. What is that is, it is a plus b divided by a minus b is a condition we have to follow here now, right? So what is the a value here? It is minus 3 by 5, yes, plus what is the b value? It is 2 by 15 divided by what is the a value again? It is minus 3 by 5. Again what is that is minus b value is 2 by 15, sorry. So this minus is in the condition here, so I am putting here minus. Yes, already the a is minus 3 by 5, so I am putting here minus 3 by 5 here. Okay, so next what is the method we have to follow? First we simplify this bracket, correct? So this bracket is here, is here the denominator will check here, it is 5, here it is 15. So we go and write here, it is what is it is 5 comma 15, right? So 5 table we put here LCM, so 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. So again I put here 3, so it is 1 comma 1, so we stop. So 5 3s are 15 is the LCM here. So I go with the first bracket here, it is 15, what is that is, so here it is already it is a 15, so do not multiply anything here inside. So you have to multiply here, 5 3s are 15. So we are multiplying something inside here, in the denominator, we have to multiply with the numerator also. So minus 3 into 3 is equal to minus 9. So here it will be unchanged because it's already we are having a 15 here, so it is 2. So first bracket is somewhat over. So we go for division, they put in division here, we go for second bracket. Here also the LCM is 15 because here also 5 comma 15 is here, same LCM will come here, so it is 15. We have to multiply only the term with 3 here, 5 3s are 15, so we have to multiply the term with the 3 here in the numerator. So minus 3 into 3 is equal to, here it is minus 9, here it is minus 2. Already it is minus 2 here, don't want to change anything because it is having only 15 here. So உண்மையிலே என்ன சொல்லணும்னா, what is that is 15 இருந்துச்சுன்னா இங்கே 15 into 1 போடுவோம், அதே 15 வேல்யூ தான் வரும். அப்போ மேலே 1 போட்டாங்கன்னா 1 தான், 2 ones are 2. Okay, so it is unchanged. So 2 minus 9, so bigger smaller number minus a bigger number. So what you get the answer is here is, it is minus 7 by 15 is the first bracket. So divided by second one is minus 9 minus 2. So minus 9 minus 2 means it is a different one thing we have to do here. Both the numbers are in minus, but we are adding. So minus 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Minus 9 plus minus 2 will be equal to minus 11 by 15. Okay, we are adding both the negative numbers. So you will get another negative. What is the addition value? You will get this 11. So you are having a division here. So we will be having what is that is minus 7 by 15 as usual by what is that is minus 11 by 15. So we go with the reciprocal method here. So it is minus 5 by 7 by 15 into what is that is, I can go with what is 15 by 11 here. Here it is minus. The negative denominator cannot be a negative. So we change into what is that is here. Or we can even cancel here. Already there is a negative. So negative cancelled. Okay, 15 cancelled. So what is the remaining answer is equal to, numerator is we are having 7, denominator we are having only the remaining value is 11. So the answer is 7 by 11. Now we go for exercise 1.2 8 sum. Simplify. First you have to simplify this one. Simplify means a short control, a standard form control மாதிரி கொண்டு வந்துட்டு அதில் என்ன வேல்யூ வருதுன்னு பார்க்கணும். So the question is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 10 into 3. So இதில் நிறைய ஆப்ரேஷன்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்காங்க. இதில் ப்ளஸ் இருக்குது, மைனஸ் இருக்குது, டிவிஷன் இருக்குது, மல்டிபிகேஷன் இருக்குது, ப்ராக்கெட் இருக்குது, எல்லாமே இருக்குது. ஸோ இதில் நம்ம பார்க்க வேண்டியது முக்கியமானது என்னென்னா, ஃபஸ்ட்டு மெத்தடு என்னென்னா, யூ ஹேவ் டு யூஸ் வாட் இஸ் த போர்ட் மாஸ் மெத்தட். எஸ், இந்த போர்ட் மாஸ் மெத்தட்னா என்னென்னா, ஃபஸ்ட்டு ப்ராக்கெட்டில் இருக்கிறதா சால்வ் பண்ணிடணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயரு, ரூட் எக்ஸ் இந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா, ஆப்ரேஷன்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா சால்வ் பண்ணிடணும். அடுத்தது வந்து, ஸோ இதில் எழுதிடுறேன். ஸோ திஸ் ஒன் ஆஸ் ப்ராக்கெட்ஸ், எஸ், this one is what is it is பவரில் இருக்கும் போது எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயரு ரூட் எக்ஸு இந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை சால்வ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் டி. டி மீன்ஸ் டிவிஷன் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை முதல் செய்யணும். ஸோ இது ஆர்டர் படி தான் போகணும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ப்ராக்கெட்டில் இருக்கிறத முடிச்சிடணும். அப்புறம் அந்த எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயரு ரூட் எக்ஸ் இருந்துச்சா அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறத முடிக்கணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் டிவிஷன் இருந்துச்சுன்னா டிவிஷன் தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ப்ரிஃபரன்ஸ் கொடுக்கணும். இப்போ இதிலே நிறைய பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு டிவிஷன் தான் முடிக்கணும். ஓகே, அதே மாதிரி அடுத்து வந்து எம்ன்ற ரெப்ரசன்டேஷன் வந்துன்னா மல்டிபிகேஷன் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை முடிக்கணும். அடுத்து தான் அடிஷன் எதாவது இருந்துச்சுன்னா முடிக்கணும். லாஸ்ட்டு தான் வந்து நம்மளோட சப்ராக்ஷன். ஸோ இதுதான் வந்து போர்ட்மாஸ் மெத்தட். ஸோ போர்ட்மாஸ் மெத்தடை யூஸ் பண்ணி இந்த சம்மை எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணலான்னு பார்ப்போம். ஓகே, ஸோ த கொஸ்டின் ஐ கோ அகெயின். வாட் இஸ் இட் இஸ் 1/2 ப்ளஸ் 3/2 மைனஸ் 2/5 டிவைடட் பை 3/10 இன்டூ 3. இந்த போர்ட்மாஸ் மெத்தட் அப்படியே நடத்துகிறேன், ஜஸ்ட் லிசன் பண்ணுங்கள். என்னன்னா போர்ட்மாஸ் படி ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்னென்னா ப்ராக்கெட்ஸ் நம்ம பார்க்கணும். ஸோ ப்ராக்கெட்டில் இருக்கிறது என்ன டேர்மோ அது மட்டும் தான் நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் தான் பார்க்கணும். ஸோ மீதி இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே ஃபஸ்ட்டு இதெல்லாம் பார்க்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. ஜஸ்ட் வி கோ இன் சால்வ் வாட் இஸ் அ ப்ராக்கெட் இன்சைட். ஸோ அந்த 1/2 அப்படியே இருக்கட்டும். இப்போ இந்த ப்ராக்கெட் மட்டும் சால்வ் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ இந்த ப்ராக்கெட்டை சால்வ் பண்ணோம்னா 3/2 மைனஸ் 2/5 இருக்குது. ஸோ இங்கே 2 இருக்குது, இங்கே 5 இருக்குது. ஸோ 2 5 எல்சிஎம் அடிப்போம். ஸோ இட் இஸ் 2,5. ஸோ 2 தான் எல்சிஎம் எடுத்தோம்னா 2 1s are 2, 5 அப்படியே தான் ரிமைனிங்காக இருக்கும். ஸோ அகெயின் இட் இஸ் 5, 1,1. So the LCM here it is 10 is the LCM, correct? So when you come here in the fraction, we can go with the LCM here is 10. So இங்கே ஒரு இது ஒரு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். 2 ஏதாவது மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் 10 கிடைக்கும்னா 2 5s are 10. So we are multiplying some 5 inside the denominator. So we go with the numerator also the same 5. So 3 5s are, here it is 15 minus. So here we get here 10. So 5 2s are 10. So here it is 2 2s are 4. So here it is 15 minus, we are getting this one as 4. So this minus is minus here. So 15 minus 4. Yes, so we will be having division here. The what is in the given question is division here, so it is division here. So it is 3/10 into 3. Okay, still there is a bracket inside. So we will be having what is that is 1/2. We simplify the bracket and get a fraction here. 15 minus 4 is equal to, here we will get this one as 11/10 divided by 3/10 into 3. So again we go with what is the BODMAS method. Yes, so we finish the brackets. So we solved into a smaller fraction. So first step is okay. Okay, next one is, here we are having addition, we are having division, we are having multiplication. What is the first thing we have to do here? We have to do only the division here, right? So the division is coming here is this one, this part alone. So we go and write this one as 1/2 plus, we divide this one as 11/10 by 3/10 into 3 as it is. Okay, so what do we get the answer here? So denominator we can go with the reciprocal here. So it is 1/2 plus 11/10 into this 10 will be coming in the numerator, the key will be going in the denominator. Yes, so into 3. This into 3 is into 3 as it is. Okay, so now we cancel this 10 because we are having multiplication here. Again we can cancel here 3 here, right? So what we got the answer here is, it is 1/2 plus 11. Yes, so 1/2 plus 11. So here when I go here, 11 is just a number here, but we can write this one as 11/1. Yes, so here it is 2. We want to go with the 2 here. So 2 is the LCM I take here like this. Okay, so you have to multiply this one as 2. So I multiply this one as 2. So what I got the answer is here is 1 plus. So same LCM method I am following here. So 11 2s are, it is 22. So what I got the answer here is, it is 23/2. Yes. So this is your answer. So whether the question is over? No. So we have to go with what is it is, show that it is a rational number between 11 and 12. Correct? So we have to show that this answer is, or 33/12 lies between this 11 and 12. So how you can show this one as, what is it is, 23/12 we are having, yes, we write in a mixed fraction. So already told here, just we go and write, we divide this one term by, what is that is, 2 table, what is it, 23 times. Yes. So 2 11s are 22. So the remainder is 1. So simply we how to write an fraction into a mixed fraction is here is it is 11 the quotient, we write this here. Yes. So usually we follow rules here, quotient remainder by divisor. So this one is called as the quotient and this one is called as the remainder and this one is called as the divisor. Okay. So we usually write this one as 11, the remainder is 1 divided by the divisor is, what is it is 2. So we got the answer is, it is 11 1 by 2. So 23 by 2, we can write this one as 11 1 by 2. So when we go here, here we can we have to show that it is a rational number between 11 and 12. So when you see the number here, it is 11 1 by 2. So 11 and a half, you can say simply. So when we draw a number line, yes, we'll be having here 0, here it is 11 here it is 12. Where the 11 1 by 2 will be here, 11 and a half will be. So 11 க்கும் 12 க்கும் நடுவுல தான் the 11 and a half இருக்கும். Yes, this 11 1 by 2 will be here. Yes, so we have showed that also it is a rational number, that is 23 by 2 or it is 11 1 by 2 because it is a fraction. So therefore it is a rational number நம்ம சொல்லிட்டோம். Rational number, okay. So it lies between ஒரு diagram போட்டுருங்க, diagram போட்டு 0 11 12, 11க்கும் 12க்கும் இடையிலப்பட்டதெல்லாம் 11 1 by 2 இருக்கும். Okay, so we have proved this also, it is a rational number also we proved, between 11 and 12 also we have proved. Okay, now we go for exercise 1.2 9 sum, first subdivision. Simplify already told here, we have to shorten this answer into a small fraction number. So we are having here on a square bracket 11 by 18 into minus 6 by 33, bracket is closed, plus here one bracket is opened, 1 by 3 plus 3 by 5 divided by 9 by 20 minus 4 by 7 into minus 7 by 5. We are having 3 big brackets. So bracket குள்ள இன்னொரு bracket இருக்கு. Yes. So இந்த bracket குள்ள bracket இருக்கும்போது இந்த bracket தான் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுப்போம், அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் பெரிய bracketக்கு இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் கொடுப்போம். bracket இன்டர்வல்குள்ள bracket இருந்துச்சுன்னா so inner bracket will be given the first importance. Okay, first we go with ஒவ்வொரு brackets நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டே போவோம், கடைசி எல்லாத்தையும் இது பண்ணுவோம். Okay, so the first bracket is here is, it is what, so it is 11 by 8 into minus 6 by 33. Okay, so what we got the answer here is, here we have multiplication here inside, so it's not a problem. So here straight away we go inside, I put a bracket, so 11 by 8 into minus 6 by 33. Okay, so here we cancel here 11 3s are, again we go with 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So this is the first bracket calculation. Okay, next we go for the second brackets. So it is 1 by 3 as it is we keep. First we solve this bracket. So 3 by 5 divided by 9 by 20. Yes, so it is 3 by 5 divided by 9 by 20. This is the second bracket answer. Next step we will solve here, right? So it is minus, next one is here, it is straight away we can go with what is that is 4 by 7 into minus 7 by 5. So we cancel here 7 here, so minus 7 we cancel, the remaining answer is minus 1. Okay, so we go for the next one. Here it is 3 here, here is also 3 here, so we cancel this one 3 and 3. So here it is a negative here inside, so the answer here for the first bracket is minus 1 by, nothing is here in the denominator, only the 4 is remaining here, so it is 1 by minus 1 by 4. Yes, now we go for the second bracket. What is it is, it is 1 by 3 plus, yes, so we can write this one as 3 by 5 into, I take this one into reciprocal here, so it is 20 by 9. Correct. Next we go for the next one. What is it is, here it is 4 into minus 1. Correct. So 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. We take this outside, so here it is minus into minus, this minus into minus will be a positive one, so plus, so here it is 4 into 1 is 4 by, this one is 5. So just we have to cancel this alone, so we have a multiplication here, correct. So 5 4s are 20. Again I go with 3 here, 3 here. Right? So what we got the answer here again? So it is minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. So here what do I have here is it is plus 4 by 3. Only the remaining answer is 4 here. Only the remaining answer is 3 here. So here plus 4 by 5. Yes. So when we club this two, yes, we are having two denominators same here. This 3 here, 3 here. So straight away we can add. So it will be more easy. So it is minus 1 by 4 plus, when we add here 3, so 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 4 by 5. So first we club all the denominators which is same, just we add and keep it, that's all. Okay, so we are having now 4, 3, 5. So these three denominators are different here. So we go with the LCM here 4, 3, 5. So it is now I go with the 5 table. So it is 4 remains again, 3 remains as it is. So 5 ones are 5. Again I go with 3 table. So it is what is that is 4 remains. It can change into 1, 1. So here it is 3 ones are 3 here now. So here it is 2 table. 2 twos are 4. Again 1, 1. Again I put here 2, 1, 1, 1. So we stop. So what we have here is 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. 30 2s are, here we have it, this one as 60. 60 is the LCM. So now we gone for the fraction here. It is 60. When we'll get the 60 here? When we'll get it in the fourth table, it is 60. Yes, 15 times. So here we'll get here what is it is? We have to multiply this one as 15 times here into 15 times. So what we got the answer here is minus 1 into 15 is equal to minus 15 plus. So we are getting here 3. We have to get here 60. So we have to multiply this one term by 20. Right? So we have to multiply the numerator also with 20. So 5 20s are 100. Okay. Next we have to having here 5. We have to multiply the term with what is this? When 60 will come in here. So 5 table means 5 ones are 5. So here 10. So here it is 2. So here it is, what is that is 10. So 5 12s are 60. So you have to multiply this one as 12. So here also I multiply with this 12 numerator. So 12 14s are. So 12 into 4. 4 2s are 8 here. 4 1s are 4. So 48. So the answer will be 48. So if we add this both, we will get this one as 148 minus 15 by 60. So suppose if we subtract 148 minus 15, what we get the answer as 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, 14 minus 1 is equal to, or 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Again, so the 1 will be here. So the answer will be 133 by 60. So second subdivision is your homework. You try by yourself. Next you go to exercise 1.2, 10 sum. A student had multiplied a number by 4 by 3 instead of dividing it by 4 by 3. So he have made a mistake here. The student had multiplied a number by 4 by 3 instead of divide பண்றது போல அவன் multiply பண்ணிருக்கான். Okay, and got 70 more than the correct answer. So correct answer ஓட 70 அதிகமாயிருச்சு. But to find out what is the answer. So this is the important question and what is the somewhat a challenge question. புரியணும்னா நல்லா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம வந்து இதை சொல்யூஷன் எடுக்கிறேன். ஸோ லெட் த நம்பர் பி எக்ஸ். ஃபஸ்ட்டு எந்த நம்பர் நமக்கு தெரியாது, அதனால் நம்ம நம்பரை நம்ம எக்ஸ்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். எஸ். ஸோ த ஸ்டூடண்ட் had to find what is it? It is 4 by 3x, right? Had to find out by 4 by 3x. Found that he has to divide. So it is x by 4 by 3, that is, we can write this one as, so this denominator of a denominator we can go and write this one as numerator. So it is 3x by 4. Okay. Now we have to just subtract here. What is the value come here? What is it is? It is 4x by 3 minus 3x by 4 will be equal to 70. Why I am putting here 4 by 3x is here is because he has multiplied something here inside. So we have to do here division here. Division பண்ணா கரெக்டான ஆன்சர் வந்திருக்கும். So it is minus 3x by 4 போட்டால் ரெண்டுக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டா ஒரு 70 ஓட வேல்யூ வச்சு தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. 70 more than இருக்கு. So I am going with 70 here. Correct? So this is the fraction we are having here inside. So how we can do this fraction here is we have to find out what is the we have to find out what is the denominators here. 3 here, 4 here. So 3 comma 4 is the denominator. So what is that is? Again I go with 3 here, 3 table. So 3 ones are 3. So here it is 4, I guess it is. So 2 table. So 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table, 1 comma 1. So we stop. So 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are, here it is 12. So 12 is the LCM here now. So here I can go and write this one as is 12. So when we will get this 12 here, so 3 4s are 12. So you have to multiply this one into numerator also 4. So it is 16x minus, here we have to multiply with 3. So here we multiply by 3. So it is 9x is equal to 70. So what we have here is 16x minus 9x. 16x minus 9x is equal to 7x by 12 is equal to 70. But we want only the x value here, right? So we take all this term this side, this term this side. So what we have here is x is equal to here. So we take this x term this side. So it is 70 into 12. So it is in a denominator. So when it's what is that is transporting to the next part, it will be called as changed into multiplication. Here it is in a multiplication. When you transport to the next right hand side, it will be changed into a division. Right? So x is equal to 70 into 12 by 7. So here you can cancel here 7. What is that is 10 times. So the answer is 12 into 10 is equal to 120. So the x value will be equal to 120. So the answer is also here is 120.